I'm Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, remember to subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. Today I am sharing, I have an unboxing from Sashka Company. They sent me this to do a review on my channel, so I thank them very much for sending this. They had me go on their site and actually pick out a bracelet. So if you don't know about Sashka, it's S-A-S-H-K-A. I have a hard time pronouncing it for some reason. But anyway, let me just go on here and tell you about this company if you've never heard of it. I have heard of it before, but I didn't know a lot about it, so I had to do some research. And let me tell you what this company is about. It says Sashka Company glass bead bracelets are handmade by artisan in the Kathmandu, that's Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase helps provide sustainable jobs for 350 plus artisans in need. Roll a bracelet on and make a difference. Find your size here. Okay, when you go on the site, you'll see that. So this helps, you know, women out there with jobs, apparently. It goes for a very good cause. So I will put the link down below. I'll also put a code that you can use to help you if you would like to get a bracelet. And yeah, I've already slit this with my hair. I've already slit it open to save us some time. I want to pull everything out. Here it tells you about it. The same thing that I just read. Handmade with positive vibes. It says this is just what I read here. Show us how you wear your hashtag Sashka Co. Tag us to be featured. So apparently, if you do the hashtag, you take a picture and do the hashtag. Excuse me, I can't even talk tonight, or this morning, I should say. They will feature your bracelet, so I'll have to remember to do that. And then there is a sticker they send you. It says, "Be kind, Sashka Co." And this is a little sticker. I'll put that somewhere. And then let's see what else we have in the package. We have, I guess the bracelet fell out. Yep, it must have fell out. It was supposed to be in, I guess it's usually supposed to be in this little bag like that. Must have fell out. Okay, so we'll stick the packaging. And I like the purple. It's my favorite color. And this is how it comes in this cute little baggie like this. Like I said, apparently mine just fell out, but no biggie. And it comes with a little card. It tells about this bracelet's handmade, crocheted bead by a skilled artisan in Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. So it just tells about that. And I had picked the little lavender and white one, and these are beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but yeah, this is very pretty. So I thought this one, apparently it doesn't have the little gold. Some of them have this little gold emblem on it, and this one does not. It's just plain, but that is very beautiful. But I was definitely intrigued by it. I used to be a big jewelry person back when I was younger. I liked swapping out, wearing jewelry at times. This feels very nice. It's not heavy. For it being glass beads, it's very light. It does. I don't wear a lot of jewelry anymore, but I really was interested in giving a review for this, especially since I show my hands on video all the time. And I thought when they reached out to me, I said, well, sure, I'd love to try this out. Because I would like to wear something pretty. And it's not tight. It actually will loosen up, it feels like. And yeah, I like that. That's very nice. I like this. I may have to see about getting me another one even. But as you see, you can wear several of them together. I see a lot of them wearing 3 of them, 2 of them, whatever. So those are very cute. But yeah, I love this. I love how the beads shine in the light. And I have terrible lighting, so I'm not even sure if y'all are getting a good view of this or not. I wonder if I can zoom in for you to get it better. There we go. But look how pretty this is. See how the beads are shining? I know it doesn't look very lavender, much like lavender in here, but it's a very, very pale lavender. I wonder what the purple would have looked like. It looked different, even when, excuse my sniffling on camera. It seems like I'm always sniffling. I have such allergies. I wonder what the purple one would have looked like. I was afraid I didn't want it too purple. I wanted something that would go with everything. So, which this one will. I really like this. It's very nice. So I'm glad I made this choice. That's nice. So yes, y'all definitely have to go check them out. Like I said, I will put the link down below. And go check that link out. So I've been meaning to open this package for probably several weeks now. And I've had so much going on. And I've been sick. And I thought, okay, I've got to get this review done this morning. Because I know they've been waiting on me for me to do it. And I apologize that it's taken me so long to get this review done. But I'm glad I finally got it out. And now I can start wearing it in my videos. I'll probably, because like I said, I am such a terrible person now about putting on any jewelry. Sometimes you see, I don't even have my rings on this morning. So I need a little dish by my camera to I can actually put my rings and whatever I'm gonna wear. And then before I video, I can actually put my jewelry on. Because you see my nails are terrible. I can't do anything with my nails. Doesn't even, I mean, there's no sense of even me trying to paint them or anything. They don't grow with my health since I have lupus. That's why my nails are always bad looking. So I've just given up on even, and if I try and paint them by the next day, the paint just starts chipping off and everything, especially with everything I do. I spend more time doing my nails than anything. So I finally gave up with my nails. Because I don't have time to spend all that on nails. So that's why I do not have nice looking hands on my videos like some people. but at least I can have something pretty. So this is nice. I like this. So yeah, if y'all want to check them out, remember the link will be down below. And this does go for a good cause. It helps out women over there, and they are all handmade. So remember that, and I thank y'all for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click that notification bell, and also please remember to share. And I thank y'all for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day.